and on earth peace and goodwill toward men. The story of the birth of Jesus reminds everyone that God is watching over us. Mary and Joseph continued with their journey in spite of all the trials that came their way. May the story of the Nativity encourage everyone to thank the Lord for all the blessings He gives us and to keep our faith strong. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all. Of Jesus, the Christmas story runs every 30 minutes from 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. every night until January 3, 2010.